here working in southern New England, editing and refining a mature landscape. We've worked through this weeping Japanese maple, and we've worked through the boxwood. Now we're working on the tree level, and we have, these are mature cedar trees, a native to the northeast. And we're going through and removing dead and crossing branches, which is revealing some beautiful architecture, beautiful bark. Sunlight is already coming through where some of the lower branches have been removed and some of the less vigorous branches are gone. We're also being mindful of vehicle traffic when delivery trucks and service trucks visit. These lower branches are interfering with that. So in some cases we're removing them, others we're thinning or reducing. So the goal would be a naturalistic appearance, highlighting this beautiful native tree while also being practical.